When they bump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right.
True.
In the streets, it's gon' rock right.
True.
At a show, it's gon' rock right.
True.
Here we go with the butters, boo, you know how we do. When they bump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, boo, you know how we do.
Landscaping and mentally shaping. Looking at my Gucci, it's about.
You know what I mean?
You're a big advocate of independent work. Yeah, remaining independent as an artist and the individuality.
Right, because I feel like, you know, hip hoppers, we're entrepreneurs as well, and we should be owners. Mm-hmm. All of us have a desire to be owners and stuff. Like this company, like All Flames, like this is a black-owned youth company, like you're a youth-oriented company, but you embrace all different cultures and perspectives. Mm-hmm. And if it's your intellectual property, your vision, you should own it. If you're gonna take a risk on somebody else, who you gonna take a risk on better than yourself? You understand me? So any job that anybody take, unless it's their preferred profession, meaning that they understand that that's their destiny, it should always be a means to it, and it should never be you compromising what you were created to do. Right. You should always be around people that's gonna help cultivate and encourage you to be the best part of yourself in that way. You know, so I'm an advocate for them. I'm an advocate for us, you know, us sustaining our own power and dollar in our, you know, communities.
Right.
Cooperative economics, meaning that we all can break the fairly and justly. Like, you don't have to burn nobody to get ahead. Mm-hmm. You can pull your resources together, but they have to be just as much as an asset or upgrade as you are. Mm-hmm. Otherwise, you're just in the way of the progression of the big picture. So you don't want that. You know what I mean? So. And these are things that I live by, so whenever I have a chance to like talk about my perspective and the things that help sustain me in the industry thus far. Like I've only had like 3 jobs in my whole entire life. You know what I mean? Coming from there, raising kids, whatever, from the streets to be a professional. Mm-hmm. And I understand and I know firsthand that you never have to compromise yourself or your worth for anybody or anything. Right. That's women, that's men, that's our community. You know, and we need more people to disclose what those methods of operations are. Because, you know, there's a lot of people that just really, I know the game is to be sold and I told them all of that. Mm-hmm. But at the end of the day, when you're going to run across somebody that's an exception, like I see the potential, I can see it in you, I see it in you guys, you guys see something in me that we can exchange at this time we will be doing this interview. Mm-hmm. Understand me? So sometimes it's not going to always be about the money and the bottom line of what your goal is. The goal is going to be the collective, the bigger picture. Yep. Exactly. It just figures me and selective and discerning about when you know, because time is the most valuable commodity that we have, really. Mm-hmm. And we on borrowed time. Mm-hmm. So you want to invest that time in things that are conducive to what your life work entails, but at the same token, get somebody a break like somebody gave you one.
That's right.
You know, every once in a while, it's going to be somebody that's going to touch you in their way. Yeah. And it's not taking away from anything from you. So
that you're doing. Not taking away from your greatness.
Exactly. And I like to see that more in terms of the city. Because if we get that together, if we really unify, stop segregating ourselves, you know what I mean? You feel we'll finally get like our just deserve in terms of our movement globally. You see freshness of it.
Love it. Before we go, I want you to tell us what you're doing now and what you're involved with. You're big on hip hop. I know hip hop has changed a lot, but we have history in hip hop. Mm-hmm. And we have a museum. You have a museum that you're working with. Yeah, can we talk about that? Yeah, the Universal Hip Hop Museum based in the Bronx is started by Kool Herc and everybody, Shy-Rock, and all the founding members of the hip hop culture. Mm-hmm. I'm on the Women's Advisory Board there, and what that is that we get together and we support one another, and we have events in conjunction with the museum to preserve our contribution as women and diversity that we have in the culture, from B-girls to executives to whomever, because our voice has been silenced and we don't get the support. Yes. And we've been here since day one, like all the men had. It's not a chauvinistic approach, though. It's just that we should have our just deserved. You know what I mean? Right. And it's just time to do that. So that's what the big focal point is with that. And just being an advocate for youth and stuff like that, diversity and individuality. And we're having a 3-day event in June, celebrating all the women in hip hop. And I invite anybody that's ever been a practitioner in hip hop, whether you're currently active or you've been there before or whatever,
aspiring community organizers, grant writers, whomever, if you're female, come out and support it because this is about you. It's not just about me. It's not just about the board. It's about us having a healthy support and resource bank. So we can't do that by ourselves. We need everybody involved. It's June 3rd through the 4th. You can look on the Universal Hip Hop's website.
Nice.
It's .org and check that out.
Awesome.
And thank you all Flamers for supporting
Yes.
us. Real, I appreciate you guys and much continued success to you.
Thank you so much. This is Bahamadia live, allflamers.com. We just want to say congratulations
Thank you.
on your 20 years and giving us positive music, conscious music that we need to feed our spirits. So thank you so much. Keep hip hop alive. Make sure y'all follow Bahamadia and Queen Bahamadia on Instagram, Bahamadia on Twitter. Make sure you cop Collage and all the other albums that she has out there. Her music is there, y'all. Go cop the album. Support Philly's own Bahamadia, Queen Bahamadia. Thank you so much.
Hip hop's on.
That's right.
Hip hop's on. Well, thank you very much, everybody.